So now on cars that have a start K and did not have immobilizer at the factory, Hyundai is doing a software update. But we did have someone on the forum that had this software update anti-theft and still got his car stolen. And it appears that actually Hyundai is not installing a immobilizer system, which is lacking in all Hyundais. There is a list someplace. This is the list in all Hyundais that have start K for the ignition, not the start button, the physical K. So these cars are missing immobilizer system, and it seems, at least in one occasion, Hyundai actually is not adding that chip, immobilizer chip. It's just doing some sort of update on the software, but without that chip. Let me just find where's the chip. This is the chip. If the dealership is not asking you for your case, both case, to put a new chip in there, it means you won't get immobilizing system. It means your car will still be broken by breaking the steering column, causing damage, expensive damage, breaking a window as well. So I do not know for all cars, but this is really the best way. I know some people are saying there are thefts that can cut these bars. Yes, but the vast majority of theft on this TikTok trick, they do not know how to break a bar. So get a club bar, get one that has a bright color, put it on a steering column. Even if you get the software update from Hyundai, get one of these. It's really your best friend. So again, that software update did not work on this very person. He actually did recover his car. He says the car with the software update, anti-theft software update from Hyundai, still got recovered, and that steering column was destroyed. It says here, the broken steering column and a strong smell of pot. So these are thugs. So really get one of these club bars. It's really, really your best. Do not listen to what people say. Oh, it's not good. Oh, it's not perfect. Yes, it's not perfect, but it's really much better than the software update at Hyundai. I don't know what Hyundai is doing with these updates, but it's not, at least in one situation, it's not a proper immobilizing system. So your car will still get stolen by the TikTok tick.